Eric here with Germain Cars, and today we're diving into another episode of Dashboard Light Roulette. A general rule of thumb is to treat your dash lights like you would a traffic light. Yellow means take caution and make plans to remedy, while red means pull over immediately, shut off the vehicle, and call for assistance. Uh-oh. Instead of waiting until the day when you find yourself stranded with no power, it's important to know and understand the condition of your battery. Sit down, class, it's time for Battery 101. You may not have ever considered it, but the climate where you live and drive actually has a noticeable impact on the health and lifespan of your battery. Commonly located on the top or sides of the majority of car batteries is a date code, which indicates exactly when your battery was manufactured. As your battery gets older, the likelihood that it may need replaced increases. In order to achieve a reliable connection, cables and clamps must be tightened securely around the terminals of the battery. As time goes on, corrosion can collect around battery terminal posts. In order to perform reliably, battery terminals must be clean. Excessive corrosion buildup can also indicate that your battery is weakening or dying. Rather than waiting until your battery completely dies, take some time to address the common warning signs of a dying or weak battery. You can trust the service professionals and factory-trained technicians at Germain Cars to inspect, diagnose, or replace your battery should you begin to experience problems. Now you know your stuff, but inevitably your battery will meet its end and present some of these symptoms. If your interior or exterior lights dim or flicker during normal use, your battery could be on its last legs. Hesitation or a slow cranking condition when turning the key to start the ignition is another sign that it might be time for a new car battery. A check battery warning light appearing on your dashboard is your vehicle's way of alerting you to a potential problem with your battery or the charging system. Now it's time to reach out to the professionals at Germain to bring some zing back into your vehicle? Shoot, I really wanted that to rhyme, but oh well. Each Germain Motor Company dealership carries a complete selection of genuine OEM batteries that are engineered to the exact specifications of your vehicle. You can trust each dealership staff of factory-certified technicians to install your new battery using specialized diagnostic equipment and repair tools. Well, that wraps up today's episode. Check back soon to learn more about dashboard lights, and drive safely out there, my friends.